So post completed, how to update, partial update, full updations, serializers, delete method. So the main concept of serializers is first one, serialization, second one, deserialization, third one, validations. So when will the course get completed? So serialization, deserialization we completed. We are converting the object one form to another form, that is called as serialization. Means the complex data type employee object to Python dictionary we are converted, that is called as serialization. Because once we converted Python dictionary, it is easy to converting to the JSON data. Deserialization means we have to converted Python dictionary to the complex object instance database understandable format, that is called as deserialization. So yesterday we are using every time if statement serializer.errors. What is this serializer.errors? What it will return means we have to go with the third one. What it is? Validations. Present up to now we are not implemented any validation. That's why whatever data inserted blindly, it is inserted to the database. Now we have to provide validations by using the serializers. In this first one is field level validation. And a single field I can apply. For example, salary minimum 5,000. If less than 5,000, I don't want to allow the salary. Minimum salary should be the 5,000. Second one, object level. What is the meaning of object level validation? Object means, a single instance. I want to take a particular employee record. First employee, second, third, something employee we are reading. My requirement is, if name is employee name is Sunny, then మనకి ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ సన్నీ లేదు కదా. If the employee name is Radhika, then compulsory salary should be 50,000. So normally field level, any employee it is considered minimum 5,000. But if the employee is Radhika, then compulsory it is working with 50,000. Less than 50,000 it is not accepted. That is called as object level validation. Third one, in the form somewhere else we are using by using the built-in validators. Validators within the field, we have to provide validators and we have to provide the condition, that is called as validators. This is the inbuilt available there. This is the three levels are there. Field level, object level, and inbuilt validators we are using. First condition, this one. Employee salary is the minimum 5,000. Then only you have to update. Employee salary minimum 5,000. Where is the atom? 1 minute. Atom. So resalary is minimum 5,000 is the condition. In the form validation, a particular field, if I want to validate, there is one method we are using. What is the method? Clean underscore esal. Which field you want, you can provide clean compulsory, the field name. No, sir, I want to all into single method. No problem. That is also possible by using the which method? Clean method. One method, we can validate all the fields. Same here. Validate underscore esal. Total thing I want to validate. Go with validate method. In that we are using clean underscore esal. Here we are using validate underscore esal and validate method. Now go to the serializers.py file. In this one, I have to create one method validate underscore esal. First argument self. I am passing the amount to the value. You have to check the condition. If the value is less than 5,000, raise is the keyword. Module name is serializers. The class name is validation error. They're all the predefined classes. Simply have to provide employee salary should be minimum 5,000. Return the value. Now go to the command prompt. D drive cd REST API cd with REST class 1 py manage.py. Run the server. Server is started. Go to the admin panel. Log in. See the employees. 3 employees are there. 102, 103, 333. Now go to your partner application test.py. In this, comment it, update resource. You can amend ID, resource ID 1, Mallika 25,000. I want to update the salary. Name Mallika e-salary colon 4,000. Only I want to update e-salary. Save this. Go to the command prompt. REST API CD with REST class 1 py test.py. Check it. Babu, employee salary should be minimum 5,000 because now validations are available there. It is going to there. It is written the e-serializer getting any error, then automatically raise that error. Now go to test.py, make it as a 5,001 rupee. Save, go to here, run this. Resource updated successfully 200 status code. Something goes wrong, end user, sorry, our problem that is the 400 status code. Go to here, Mallika 25,000 refresh, 5,001 rupee. Like that, we have to validate the application. If you want to web page, you have to write in the Django application, not here. Here, completely we are discussing API. REST API means here, observe carefully, the concept is by using third partner application, we are testing the application. API is working or not working, we are testing here. Okay. If you want to display web page, all things, Django application will take care about all the things. Here I implemented API. That API is working or not working properly. I am testing. With REST only they are using. Without REST, just your knowledge purpose, I am telling. With REST framework only they can implement it. First I explained without REST. Now I explained with REST. Next level, some predefined classes are there. We don't write these many lines of code also. Just 2, 3 lines are enough. After 2, 3 classes, I will tell existing project how to implement API in simple way. Sir, second one, object level validation. That is, if ename is Sunny, Sunny లేదు కదా, then compulsory e-salary should be 50,000 we have to implemented. For this, we have to implemented validate method. Yeah, compulsory. Next level, I will tell by using REST. Once you implemented API, three ways are there to test that API. Present, we are using Python script. Next, I implemented browsable API. Further, two built-in classes are there. View set, API view. After that, I can test with Postman. Three ways we have to test the application. Real time, we are using Postman tool to test the application. All CRUD operations are possible. So next, serializers.py. Here, you have to implement the method def. What is the method? Validate. Inside self, comma, I am passing one object data. Now take the employee name. How to take the employee name? Data dot get of e name. Now employee name we are getting. What is the e salary? Data dot get of e salary column. Now if e name dot I have to convert it to the lowercase because maybe it is capitals layers are there converted. If it is Radhika, then you have to check if e salary is less than 50,000. Raise the error. Serializers, sorry, equal to. Serializers dot. The class name is validation error. Radhika లేదా సరే చేంజ్ చేస్తా Radhika salary should be minimum 50,000. Now four records are there. Sunny is available there. Now see the server. Server is fine. Go to here test.py. I want to update what is the Sunny ID 5. So update resource of the 5. The salary should be 49,500. Save. Go to the partner application. Run this. You're getting error. What is the problem? None type object has repeat lower. No. A lower function problem is there. Yeah, I did mistake. ID we are passing now. Once ID passing total data, it is accepted. Okay. Name is not given. Correct. E name colon Sunny I can provided there. Comma 49,500. Now see the server. Run this. One day. Sunny salary should be minimum 50,000 because it is validating Sunny. Screen is stuck. So now here, if I want to go to there, now give as a 50,000 one. Save this. Go to here. Run it. Assertion error. Sir, when assertion error will get? In our Python classes, I explained after exception handling, logging module, after logging assert statements, we explained assertion error means programmer mistake. It's not runtime error. And our expected value, actual value, both are not matches. Then we are getting this assertion error. By using assert statement, I explained now. Same thing here also. Something goes problem. Go to the should return the validated data, validator. I'm not using return statement. Yeah. written the data. That is the mistake. Now see the server started. Go to here, clear the screen. Pivot h.py. Resource updated successfully. Online people, the screen is visible. Sir, okay, check this now. Okay, the values updated. Go to the Sunny, refresh. Go to Sunny salary 50,000, 100. Updated, updated. If name is Sunny, then only it is not updated. Minimum salary 50,000, it is accepted there. For example, I want to go with here Sunny 50,000 updated. I have to give a name is a Sunny 123, salary 5,001. If I run this one, is it updated? Definitely it should be updated. Now go to your serializers. First observe this one in the validate cell, just print statement we are using, that is field level validation. ఇది object level validation. Print object level validation. Now go to the partner application, run this. Research update successful because it is not Sunny 123. Now refresh Sunny 123 5001. Now I have to update the resource Lily. Okay, in that so in this one, for example, if I want to change the go to the partner application here, ID and the one name is Mallika, salary 4001. Is it updated? No, because first it is given priority to the field level validation, employee salary minimum. Now we have to go to the server. You can check it, field level validation. Previously, field level and object level. Once the field level validation is okay, then it will goes to the object level. This time field level failed. That's it is not checking the object level. If we give here 5001, now field level is okay, satisfied. Then it is looking for object level, but I'm not providing any object level. Refresh, and the salary will be updated. Go to here, both are came field level and object level. So that is how to provided object level validation. So you have to implement validate method. Which one? Yeah. Oh, the Why lower means if any capital letters are there, I am comparing with lower cases. Suppose in admin panel backend, if any capital letter is there, it is converted to lower and comparing. That's here converting to the lower case. Now, if you want to update create, compulsory you have to override. If you are not overriding, whenever a serializer.save, it is looking for create method. Whenever serializer.save method is there, it is looking for update method. Without those two, it's not possible to update that data. If you don't want, I will tell alternative way. Sir, I don't want to implement create and update methods. Alternative way is there. Now I will explain that alternative way. Without using create, update method also, I can create the resource, I can update. I will show that one. Compulsory. Otherwise, in the backend database in FE, Sunny with capital letter S is there, then it is not. Then also fine. Last one, inbuilt validators. Sir, ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ నాట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటింగ్ ఎనీ అప్లికేషన్. Application will be there. We are creating API. That API is working or not working. We are testing by using this Python script. This test.py, I am checking my API is working or not working. Next one project, existing project, I will take Hyderabad job something project. For that application, how to API, I will tell. Then we have to test that. So here we are not implementing any application, just we are creating the API to the existing application. That API is working, not working, we have to test it by using the Python script file. Test.py also paste. Test.py already I am given. Search only by using inbuilt validators. This time we are not writing any code, just to go to serializers. Okay. For example, ename is there. Here within the ename, serializer character field, I am given characters. How many? Maximum length 4 I am given. Done. Go to the test.py. Here salary I don't want, only ename. I want to make it as a son. Kadu. Sunny Leone, I can provide it. The idea of one is Malika. Malika, I want to make it as a Sunny Leone. Then what will happen? Is it updated, not updated? Yes or no? No? Not updated because ensure this field has no more than 4 characters. That is called as inbuilt validators. I'm not writing any code. Just you have to change maximum length as how many? 4. So maximum is accepted 4 characters only. More than 4 not accepted. So suppose if we give here SUNN 4. Now it is accepted. Fine. That is called as inbuilt validator. Resource updated successfully. Come to here. Malika gone, sun came. So like that, we have to implement inbuilt validator that is. So we're not doing anything. Ename field inside you have to specify maximum length. But then automatically it will be considered. how to customize my own validations by using inbuilt validators. My requirement is e-salary compulsory multiples of thousands. If it is not multiples of thousands, don't accept. In forms already explained all these things. I have to define my own function. Give validators equal to that function name. Automatically it will be satisfied. So my condition is e-salary should be multiples of thousands. So my own customization, but you can use validators attribute, inbuilt validators attribute we have to use. Here, take one function. Where can I declare that function? Your update is there, create is there, validate is there, validate eSal is there. Where can I create my own function? Within the class, outside the class? Within the class. Where can I declare? If you declare within the class, validate eSal, validate, create, update, YAML partners, no. Automatically, serializers is calling the method. But your method means compulsory you have to call. So that's why inside no class, outside of the class, you have to declare your method. Here you have to declare def function name. That function you have to call into within the class. So my function name is multiples of thousands. I am passing some value. Now print, just it is printing purpose, validation by validator attribute. Now, what is the condition we have to give? If value percentage 1000 not equal to 0, then don't accept it. Raise the error. Raise serializers dot validation error. Instead, you can pass employee salary should be multiples of thousands. This is my function. Copy this function where you want to provide it within e-salary. Give the attribute. What is the attribute? Validators. What is your function? Multiples of thousands. Then automatically it is calling this function. E-salary will be passing as argument to value. It is checking the condition. Then it will raise the error. Now, server is okay, fine. I want to provide a test.py. Return value. Now, go to here. Sir, ikkada come to the test.py. Update resource, first record, 4 letters compulsory, salary, and 5001. Now, I want to update e-salary with 5020 rupees. Save this. Now, run this. Employee salary should be multiples of thousands because 5020 not divisible by no. Appudu, I have to give 25,000. It is multiples of 1000. As resource updated successfully, go to here, refresh. 25,000 updated. Like that, you have to define your own function also. But outside the class, you have to define the function and call that function within the serializers. eval column, you can call your function. Validators equal to multiples of thousands. That is the three ways. Field level validation, object level validation, and inbuilt validators. No need to call views. What is the use of the views? Validators is the inbuilt attribute. It is calling this function, and this eval will be passing argument to value. Validation will take care by serializers, not the views. Move. Sir, what is the meaning of line number 54? Whatever I am salary passing, I am divided with 1000. If the remainder not equal to 0, then it is not multiples of 1000. Sir, if I'm using normal serializer, go to the serializer class. The problem with this normal serializer is we have to define all the fields. And your model class, whatever fields are there, all the fields, number, name, salary, address is there. Suppose in your model class, this is the model class. Yesterday we implemented now. Four fields are there. Four fields implemented serializers. In your model class, 25 fields are there. 25 fields are available there. Compulsory, you have to mention all the 25 fields. And if someone is asking just now, sir, why we are using create method, update method? Without these, post, put, not possible. Asal no chance. So these many problems are there. Instead of writing whatever these one, all these nonsense, okay. I'm commenting this much code I don't want. I have to take simple one more class. Same class name is same class. What is the class name? Employee serializer. We have to go with serializers dot model serializer will be there. Then all these code, all these things are not required. Model serializer means model forms. There is one predefined class is there. What is the class name? Meta class. What is your model name? Your model name is employee. And one more is there. I want to provide fields equal to underscore underscore all completed. Okay, remaining all these key to validate these things, create method, update method, all are not required. Just you have to take model serializer, class meta, model name fields. This model serializer will take care about everything. If you have any doubt is there, when I deleted all the things, I'm commented. Just to go to the partner application. Previously, get resource, all the things are there. Come to here. Uncomment the get resource. Save this. I'm not passing any ID. So all records we will get it. Class employees missing meta dot model attribute. Spelling mistake. Assertion error. To assertion error means programmer mistake while developing any mistakes are there assertion. While execution type any mistakes are there runtime error. అక్కడెక్కడో చిన్న మిస్టేక్ ఉంది ఏదో సంథింగ్ మోడల్ ఎంప్లాయీ అవైలబుల్ నా ఓహో క్యాపిటల్ పడిందా అది మిస్టేక్ సర్వర్ రెడీ నౌ గో టు హియర్ py test.py ఇదిగోండి am I getting all records or not? One record you won't do anything, just here pass the record number 1, save, run. Am I getting single record? Post method, so that model serializer will take care. Comment it, uncomment the create resource. Now whatever records are there, 101 2 3, okay, Sunny Tillu, okay. Now go to here 104. I have to go with no validations. So any values you can provide. I want to go with 12,000. I'm given with Chennai. Come to here, run the partner application. Resource created successfully. Go to here, refresh. Katrina will be added. So model serializer will take care about all the things. Now comment it. Uncomment the update resource. Now I can make it as a 2000 salary. Name equal to even names. Sunny 123. I have to give Sunny Leone. Save. Go to the partner application. This resource updated successfully. First record. Refresh. Leone 2000 salary updated. If you want to delete, comment this. Uncomment it. Now the ID 1. So give resource of 1. So internally it will take care about everything. Resource deleted successfully. Go to here, refresh, gone. So only a simple code. What is the code? Just 2 lines of the code. This you can implement. Remaining asleep, don't worry about that. Everything it will work out. Problems with normal serialization. First one, we have to define all the fields, that is like employee number, employee name, employee salary, whatever fields are there all. And one more thing, we have to implement create method and update method explicitly. Instead of that, we should go for model serializer. So in the serializers.py, remove that previous class, all the methods you can delete. Just you have to implement this one code. Test from the partner application. It will work out. Get post Put patch all will be work out. How to give validation here? He is asking validation how. Suppose that multiples of is there. I want to give salary multiples of. How can you give that one? Multiples of is there, na? Just when the salary should be accepted in multiples of thousands. That condition only I want implemented. How? Hmm? I am using model serialization now. How? All function models.py. Class within the class meta we have to write before class meta. Before class. Sir, Shundi, just now I can provided multiples of thousands, but here multiples of thousands is not there. I deleted all validations. That's why whatever salary I can provide, it is accepted. I want to apply that condition. So here all I commented. Within this, how to implement it, that one means just you have to give this field. Which field you want to validate? Mention that field. Bus. Then what will happen? E-salary, validators, function I am calling. Now function is ready here. That function will be applicable to e-salary. Go to your test.py. Now uncomment this updated resource. Now first salary 2020. Save this. ID 1 deleted kada. Sorry. Go to ID 2. ID 1 is not there. 2020 I can provided the salary. Now run this. Sorry, boss. Employee salary should be multiples of thousands. Now go to partner application. You have to give 22,000. Now it is multiples of thousands. Resource updated successfully. Previous salary 13,000. Refresh 22,000. Field validations also possible. Which field you want to validate, give that field. Like that field validation also. Only fields level possible. Which field you want, give that field levels. We can, if you want, you can write the methods also. Just now I'm telling only E shall na. This example, what it is, only E shall I can apply it. Completed. Now I want to perform sir, check these all operations I have to run. Go to test.py. Get resource. Starting to last, total code I'm uncommenting. One by one, automatically it will executed. Observe carefully now. First request, get request. Print. It is the get request. In this get request of, I'm not passing anything. All resources we are getting. After that, I have to wait some time. Time dot sleep of 10 seconds. Time is not there. Import the module, time module. Okay, done. So first get method is executed. 10 seconds it is waiting. After that, I'm calling create resource method. In this create resource, 101, 2, 3, 4. I have to add 105. I have to go with Karina. Salary is 18,000. Address is Bangalore. Resource will be created successfully. After create resource again, I want to see the execution. Again, my program sleeping state into 15 seconds. Here call the method, just a print statement, console purpose. It is the post request. Okay, done. Next. Once you create done, I will go to admin panel, see the result. That's why I'm waiting 15 seconds time. Next method. Put method. Put request, I want to forward it. In this one, update the record. Here, ID equal to 2 unda. Yeah, 2 ID is there. 22 Sunny Leone. Now, I want to change this one name as a Deepika. Salary 28,000. Resource 2. It is updated. After updation, again, I have to wait some time. Time dot sleep. 15 seconds. 15. Okay, done. Next, last one, print. I want to go with the delete operation. One not there, give the 2. Oh, 2 I updated kabatti. 2 only. 2 we have to give. Save this. So all operation will be done. First get request, all resources, 10 seconds waiting. Printing auslet kabatti 5 seconds enough. Post record, inserted. I want to show the table 15. 105 Karina will be added. After that, I updated, I deleted. Go to the partner application, run this. First get request, done. 5 seconds it is waiting. It is calling create. Resource created successfully. Present 4 are there. Refresh. Karina, 18,000 Bangalore. Now go to here. After 15 seconds, update record will be executed. Resource updated successfully. Go to here, refresh. Instead of Sunny Leone, Deepika, 28,000. Again, it is waiting 15 seconds. Now, delete record. The last record, whatever I updated, it will gone. Resource deleted successfully. Go to here, refresh. Last record gone. All are executed there. Going to get request, post, update, delete operation. This is the story of serializers. Don't write that one, just to note sake, I will copy paste that code. Test.py code. Don't write this much code. Once you run this, automatically one by one method will be executed. So that is serializer and model serializer. Next story is Django REST framework. Views are there. In the Django REST framework, built-in views too are available there. Just now I am given, again you are asking. Sir, in the Django, there are two types of views are there. What about two types of views? Function-based view and class-based view, FBV, CBV. Differences also you know. What is the difference between FBV and CBV? Already explained. FBV means we have to write code everything our based on my own requirement. You know complete flow of the application. But CBV very less number of 1 or 2 lines. How the flow is working we don't know, but application is running. Same here also. Django REST framework, there are two API classes are there. One is API view. Second one, view set. There are all the two classes are available there to implement our APIs. Just like in your Django terminology, this API view is nothing but FBVs. This is nothing but CBVs. Simple terminology. Already I'm given examples. FBV means we have to, based on our requirement, we have to manufacturing everything. CBV means whatever available that we can use it. If you want to go to simple APIs, view set is the best choice. Just one line of the code. Within fraction of minutes, we have to implemented API. We don't want to write these many lines of the code. Here also, serializers kani, views kani, previous written n number of lines of code not required. 1-2 lines, API is ready. That's why I'm telling first own framework, second REST framework, third one this one, real-time user this one only. I'm telling all these classes na 10 to 15 classes, but last 2 days I will tell class that 2 days class is enough maximum. That is enough. But all these are just your knowledge purpose. If any entry chances they are asking, that's why I'm telling this. Last what I'm telling last day class, existing project is ready. Our jobs project, Hyderabad, Pune jobs. That jobs can be accessed by only using browser end user. For that, I will create API. That API will be tested by Postman and browsable APIs. Test.py also 3. That last 2 classes are maximum enough for your real time. These are all interview purpose, whatever available they are asking. That's why I'm telling this API view. That's why in outside, if anybody is taking REST API classes, maximum 3-4 classes enough. They're telling that last 2 concepts, whatever I'm telling now, those 2-3 they're telling, okay, REST API is the finish. Because those are mandatory important, but these are all the knowledge purpose, how to implement our own framework, how we by using serialize, model serializer. API view and view set. Simple in our terminology, API view is we have to write our own code. View set, existing classes are there. Simple, you can implement. API view, first one. Flask. It is the most basic class to build the REST APIs. It is very similar to Django traditional view class. 3 minutes about the Flask. It is the child class of Django's view class. So just like everywhere, we have to write everything functionality in our own way. It allows us to use standard HTTP methods as a functions like get, post, put, patch, delete, etc. We have to write our complete code. So we know each and every functionality. And hence, programmer having complete control on the logic. We can understand flow of execution very clearly. It is best suitable for complex operations. Multiple data sources, calling other APIs. We have to define URL mappings manually. So that is the API view theoretically. View set. View set is very simple, sir. Within just a fraction of minutes, 1-2 minutes, we have to implemented APIs, but methods are different. Your STP methods are get, post, put, patch, delete. Here methods are get బదులు here method is list. Post ki method is create. A particular record retrieve. I want to put method, put ki update, patch ki partial update, delete ki destroy. ఇవి methods. List means all records. Create, post, one record inserted, retrieve a particular record, update, in our case put method, patch method, here partial update, delete, destroy. View set is the very simple, easy. 90% everyone using view set only. That's why our code will become very less code. If not possible to implement an API view set, then alternative way API view. Everyone using view set. We have to developing very simple APIs by using the view set. All the CRUD operations are possible. Here a new concept will come, rotor concept will be there. Yes. So just now in our program, I implemented one API in urls.py. One API I implemented. Simply API means that URL pattern in the URLs, whatever your given endpoint URL, that is nothing but your API. Asli is it working or not working? How I am testing by using Python file. Ikkada I am taking this. I am taking endpoint, get request, post request, I am forwarded. So my Python script is testing my URL working or not working. Okay, working. Up to now we are using a Python script only. Now I want to introduce browsable API. And from the browser I have to test my API. Is it working or not working? Up to now I'm not using browser. I'm not using from the browser. I'm not inserted. From the browser, I'm not updated. From the browser, I'm not deleted. Always I'm doing only test.py only. I can call get method kani. I'm calling the post method. I'm calling put method. All are done tested by API with the Python script file. Now I can introduce the browsable. After two, 3 classes, we have to introduce one more tool is there. Postman. Real time everyone using this Postman. So here we are not implementing any application. Application is there. For that one endpoint is there. By using this, we have to test. First part completed up to now. By using Python script, how to test. Now second part started. By using browsable API, how to test this API CRUD operation. Finally, we can go with Postman. Then REST API is over. Some people are asking about Swagger also, but it is not required. If you want just to go through the 1-2 videos in YouTube about the Swagger, just like Postman only, this tool also, but not that much of mandatory, not required. Just to go through the 1 or 2 videos, you will get clarity about those things. Now, how to send a response in API view. Now I can implement a browsable API with the help of this one. Now close all these project. This is server and all these are not required. Stop this, go to back, clear the screen. Test.py also not required. Now from the browser, I have to test it. So present, this is that. Close all these. Now create a new project. Django hyphen admin start project with REST C2 class 2 CD with REST C2 py manage.py start app. What is the app? Test app. Up to here common. After that, every time we are adding test app. Along with that, we have to add two things. What it is? Ikkada rest underscore, not hyphen. Okay. REST underscore framework you can add. Some intelligent people are given extra hyphen framework. And one more thing, we go with test app in settings.py. Go to the application. With REST C2 is ready. Go to the settings. Now come to here. Install apps. REST underscore framework, comma, test app. Done. Completed. Now we have to define direct one view I want implemented, because if I take models employee number instead of all that, a simple example I will tell views.py. Okay. Go to the views. Here partner application is not required. Okay. Now here browsable API is required. Class test API view. Inside what is the class? API view is the class where we have to take from REST underscore framework. So two classes are there now. API view, view set. First we'll discuss. REST underscore framework dot views import. What is the class name? API view. So this is the predefined class. This is the parent to my class. Done. I want implemented get method def get method. Inside what is the argument? Self. Second one request. Third one args. Fourth one KW args. Stories same only. I have to take just colors. Colors equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Something we have to write a list of colors. Red, yellow, green. Just I want to take blue. Colors are there. Now, I want to send one response. How to send the response? HTTP response class is there. Instead of that, in your REST framework, directly one more class is there from REST underscore framework. What is the class? Dot response. Dot response import. What is the class name? Response is the class name. Direct this response class, you can create object, return, class name, parenthesis, object dot created. Internally, you can pass a dictionary, message, colon, message. What message you have to write? Happy Valentine's Day. This is the response. Okay. So response is the one predefined class which is responsible to convert. Is it a Python dictionary or not? Yes. Previously, Python dictionary I'm passing to the JSON response class or JSON.dumps we are using. No. Here, this response class will be converted your response to JSON. response class is responsible to convert your Python dictionary to which object? JSON data. That is the advantage of this class. Your view is ready. దీనికి define one API. Go to URLs. Mention one endpoint. API. Views dot test API view dot as underscore view because it is a class. Now from test app import views. తెరిపోయిందా? Start the server. py manage.py run server. So this time I'm not using test.py. Just to copy this URL, go to the browser, give your endpoint API. Then what is the problem? చూడండి. The problem is tables అంటే predefined table, session table, authentication table, built-in tables are required. Those tables are not there because session management will make migration migrate. I did mistake. Now ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా. ఇది వేరే ప్రాజెక్ట్ కదా. Stop the server py manage.py. Migrate. Now run the server. Server is ready. Now go to the browser. Send the request again. Yeah. This is called as browsable API. Test API message. Happy Valentine's Day. Which method you are implemented? Only get method. Get head options methods are there. Remaining methods I am not implemented. That's why Django REST framework. Wait. So just a forwarded colors. Sorry, for your understandable purpose, he is asking what is the use of that colors. Happy Valentine's Day, comma. I can give colors colon colors. Now first key, second key. Come here, refresh. Am I getting colors? That is the way. So now simple I'm sending get request. AP is the endpoint. Test AP is your class name. Only get method implemented. Content type application by JSON. Happy Valentine's Day. Colors red, yellow, green, blue. Now I have to implemented post method, put method, all the methods. Then here buttons are not there. Once implemented, post, put, delete methods will be there. Once clicking on that, it will go to the corresponding functionality. First to take this view. Oh. So that is the get request. Once I sending the get request, the get method will be there. I'm getting data, happy Valentine's Day colors. Okay, done. I want to implement post request means compulsory partner application will send some data. Partner means browser. Browser will send some JSON data. Previously test.py. Now my browser is responsible to send the data. So here partner application will send some JSON data. But once the JSON data is coming, I want to convert that this JSON data to dictionary. So you don't do anything, just to define one serializer class. That class will take care about everything. So some conversion is required. So we have to implemented serializers required. The serializers.py. Just I have to take one field, name field. Observe here in the test app where you can create, right click on test app, new file, serializers.py. Now from rest underscore framework, import, you have to take normal serializers because I'm not storing any data. Class name serializer, module name dot serializer. Normal you can take one name field, name equal to serializers dot character field. Instead, I want to provide that maximum length. Take this one. Next, in the views, you have to write the code. Post method, you have to override. So go to the views.py. This is the class. Create object to this class. Pass the requested data. Go to views. Here, implement the post method. Inside first argument self, second one request, arguments, kw args. Now, you have to create object for name serializer, but it is available to from test app, serializers, import name serializer. In this, I'm forwarding the data. The data is whatever requested data provided by the browser, that data converted to Python dictionary. Now in this, if it is valid, if the serializer dot is underscore valid, read the data. Serializer dot data dot get, take the username which is provided by that one, stored into one variable. I have to take one variable message equal to, in single quotes, hello. This one is called as replacement operator. I have to send happy new year. Dot format is the function I can forward the name. So here the end user will provide some data from the browser. That data passed into serializer. If it is valid, from there I'm taking the name. Just I'm sending hello name, happy new year. One message I can forward it. This message I want to send it to the user. Return, what is the class? Response. Inside compulsory you can create dictionary. My key is message, value is the message. If something goes wrong, else return response class. Inside you have to give serializer dot, what it is, errors. Now I can provide status equal to 400. This is the done. Once I implemented this one, just you have to refresh your browser. Post method will come. And am I getting post method or not? Yes. Here the application by JSON application by JSON, I have to provide that some input. We have to provide that here content compulsory, curling brace, JSON data I am passing. I want to give name colon Sunny Leone. Once I am forward this post method, this data will be going to the where post method. It is taking data, accepting the name, just it will printed this message. Now go to here, click on post. Oh, sorry. I'm given maximum size. Check this if any errors are there. What is the maximum size? 10. I'm given more characters. That is the mistake. No problem. Take again JSON data, name, colon, Sunny. Now post the request. ఇదిగోండి I'm getting hello Sunny, happy new year message. అంటే post request successfully go to the views printed. Same thing next level I want to insert a data to the database. This is called as a browsable API. From the browser I'm sending the request. For example, if you want to give get request, getting the data. I'm not providing anything. If you want to provide anything, provide the data. First name colon. Now click on the post. It will goes to there. It is getting hello Katrina, happy new year message printed there. Like that we need to implemented post method. The post method implementation. Where I'm not sending from the partner application, from the browser it is coming now. That's why. Ade if data coming from partner application, then request that body. No problem. Tomorrow holiday na. Just I'm telling how to implement it, get to post. put key, delete key, patch key, just print message I will write. How it is working, just check it. In that, no coding, nothing. Just I have to only print statement. Then cursor and the control will goes to that command or not, just I have to display. Next, by using same concept, how to insert data to the database, how to update, how to patch it by using browsable. Same we can go with Postman also. Postman is the third party tool. From there, I can send request. It is interact with the Django application. It is inserted data because of API. Just to see that put, delete, patch. Just I want to send a dictionary. Just a message I'm forwarding enough. Okay. We are not writing any logic. Now, here I want implemented method def put method. Arguments are common. Just I can send one dictionary only. Now, return response. In the just time return response of some message I can forward it. This response from which method? Put method of API view. Bus. Same patch delete also you can implement. Second method is delete. Here delete. Once implemented, automatically these buttons will be displayed there. Here patch. Done. Just to refresh the browser, all buttons are available. You can post, put, patch, and delete. And I'm not writing any logic. That message will be displayed. Get means Happy Valentine's Day, red, yellow, green, blue. Post means just now I explained within curling braces you can pass a name. Radhika, post method. Yes. Hello Radhika. Happy New Year. If you want to click on delete, okay, yes, idigondi. This response from delete method API view or not? Yes. Same thing. Put method. Idigondi. This response from which method? Put method. If you go to the patch, this method is from patch. Delete. Delete method working. Delete response. Like that. By using these browsable APIs, we have to do all CRUD operations next level. Just only your practicing purpose from the browser, how to send the request to this is concept is called as browsable APIs. So I implemented API with API view class. Okay. Tomorrow no class. Monday, same by using API class, how to do the CRUD operations I will tell. Bye everyone.
Recording stopped.